Model, 2017 Ford Transit 350 dropside flatbed starts runs needs turbo no VAT. Body, white, flatbed. Mileage, 135152. MOT, the 23rd of July 2025. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCI 130 PS. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Turbo needs replaced in straightforward simple turbo replacement job. Engine, clutch and gearbox are fantastic. Very clean crew cab dropside. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 1 former keeper, air con, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.